Hey everybody. So I wanted to walk you through real quickly a couple of documents that I uploaded for you just to kind of give you a heads up, kind of give you some groundwork for how this research paper could look and how easy it could be if you went ahead and did the outline to the elaborate detail that I asked you to. And those that submitted theirs, um, they did. So I went above and beyond with my elaborate detail. I'm not asking you to go to this much detail, um, just so long as you have the things that I ask you to have in them. I'm okay if you want to tone down your detail not to this degree. And so anyway, without further ado, if you get onto D2L, you'll notice under Research Paper Materials in the Content tab, under Research Paper Materials, you'll see information here, and then you'll see a couple of new documents that I've uploaded, one called Nyman Argumentative Research Paper Example Entry, and the other one titled Nyman Argument Research Paper Outline. And so what I did was I did the thesis, the introduction and the first body paragraph of a research paper just to kind of give you an idea of how this looks. And so I did this with the outline, and then I copied and pasted into a research paper. So without further ado, here's what that looks like. So here's my research paper outline. And what I did here was, and forgive me, but I didn't fill out this part exactly. But anyway, what I did was I filled out and color-coded, just so that you could see my thought process, the introduction as well as the first body paragraph. And so you'll see here that the introduction, my hook is just a quote that I found that covers the topic. And my topic in this example is cyberbullying. Okay, and so I give a hook, just kind of something to catch your attention, something to make you want to keep reading. And my hook says over half of adolescents and teens have been bullied online, and about the same number have engaged in cyberbullying, according to the Cyberbullying Research Center. Okay, and so then I need some context. What does that mean? Why do people care? What does this have to do with my topic? And my context says, with the ever-changing field of technology, this is a trend that has risen drastically in recent years. Many people recognize the problem, yet little seems to have been done to prevent it. And then I give my thesis. To stop the growing issue in its tracks, a fundamental study into the causes, results, and potential preventative strategies must be examined. And I want you to notice something about my thesis. First of all, my thesis is broken up into three subtopics. My three subtopics are the causes, the results, and potential preventative strategies. What are these subtopics of? Stopping the growing issue of cyberbullying. To stop the growing issue of cyberbullying in its tracks, so here's my topic, the growing issue of cyberbullying, a study into the A, B, and C. These are my subtopics. These are what each of my body paragraphs will be about. My first body paragraph will be about the causes of cyberbullying. Second body paragraph, the results of cyberbullying. And my third body paragraph about the preventative strategies in relation to cyberbullying. And then importantly, in an argument, you need to have a call to action. What needs to be done? These things must be examined. Why? To stop the growing issue. And so this turns it from just a regular research paper into an argument research paper. So then I found an article, and I found a quote from that article, and I put it here. And then I explained that quote and put that here. Then I found an article that disagreed with my first article, and I put a quote from that article here over that same topic. Remember, for this first topic, I'm talking about causes. And I should back up for a second. I have a topic sentence for this first body paragraph. It says, while most people agree that cyberbullying is an issue, many disagree on the root causes of the problem. There's that word again, causes. I've already told you in my thesis that my first body paragraph will be about causes. Well, here it is. Here's my topic sentence. So now I have a quote that supports this topic sentence. I have an explanation of how this quote supports this topic sentence. I have a quote that disagrees with this quote, and I have an explanation of how this disagrees with this. And then remember, whenever you give the opposite side, it's not enough to just say, here's my side, here's their side, and leave it at that. You want to show your side, you want to show their side, and then you want to show why your side is right and their side is wrong. So I come back to here and I put it in green. Why is all of this stuff in red wrong? Well, here's why. Okay, and then so when it comes to creating my paper, I just need to copy and paste these things that I've color-coded. Everything in orange is my introduction paragraph. And then the green and red, combine those together, and there's my first body paragraph. So come over here to my example paper. Here it is, properly formatted. Again, everything that was in orange from my outline, I literally just copied and pasted. And there's my introductory paragraph. Now, something that isn't in my outline, and it's not required of you, but it's not a bad idea. I have in purple here a summary of the issue. What is cyberbullying? Why is it an issue? Just to kind of give the reader a sense of understanding. Okay, and then this stuff in black just kind of elaborates on how big of an issue it is. And then you'll see that I've literally copied and pasted the green and the red and the green again into my body paragraph. Now, the reason this right here is highlighted is I just wanted to show you that this was the point, the green, that everything that I was trying to say in green, this is the point that it was trying to make, and this is how it ties back to the issue of cyberbullying and the causes. Okay, and so there's one body paragraph. Give me two more body paragraphs. At the end, I have copied and pasted the source citations that I got from the sources. I put those in my outline down here and just put them up here. And that's literally it. Once you've done 3 different body paragraphs, give me a conclusion. Your conclusion, as stated in your outline, just kind of restates the thesis, restates your points that you're trying to make, and gives the reader a call to action. What were my points that I was trying to make? I was trying to say that cyberbullying is an issue. I was trying to say that we're going to examine the causes, the results, and potential preventative strategies that need to be put into place in order to fix this issue. And then my call to action might be something like, now that the issue is brought to light, it is imperative that students and teachers and parents work together to stop the spread of cyberbullying, or something like that. And that's it. That's your paper. If you have any questions, please, please, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you. Take care.